Okay, let's learn some important aspects of this technology. And as a disclaimer, I want to say that this information is valid in February 2021. Because the dynamics of the cloud, this information can be changed at any time. We learned the difference between GRS and CRR. In GRS, our restores are available just after Microsoft declares a disaster. With CRR, restores are always available. It is important to notice this difference. CRR is available for these products. For Azure VMs, it's in general availability. For SQL and SAP, it's already in preview. Okay, there is more. The initial replication, once you enable CRR, might take up to 48 hours. But once it is running every day, the recovery point objective for the replication of each one of the backups is 12 hours or up to 12 hours from the first region to the secondary region. The restores that are available in the secondary region are the ones that are marked as bold tier restores in the primary region. So this is when you open your Azure portal and you check the restore points. If the restore point says in the column recovery type, if they say vault, then they are going to be replicated to the secondary region when CRR is enabled. Today, the restore options available for CRR are two: create a VM or restore a disk. Replacing existing disks are currently not supported. And here is another important aspect of CRR. When you enable cross-region restore, Microsoft is going to upgrade your backup storage from GRS to read access geo-redundant storage, which is RAGRS. This means that the price that you are going to pay for the storage is going to change. For example, we have this table of the published prices in February 2021. We can see that originally, if you enable GRS on your backup vault, you are going to have this price. Again, these are the prices in February 2021, but you want to check your most updated prices. All right, when you enable CRR, your price is going to change to read access geo-redundant storage. So as you can see here in the table, there is a difference in the price. So be aware of that. Of course, this is a video with very summarized information. If you want the complete information about this technology, you can go to any of these links that I'm pasting here in the presentation. Thank you very much for your attention to this course, and see you in the next one.